Hi guys, when one is in a holiday, then this is a nice gift. Linux Mint Cinnamon 21.2 is out, and I've been testing it out. And of course, maybe you don't know, but if you go back 6 years or so, you'll find thousands of tutorials about Linux Mint. So that's my start basically. Linux Mint in Cinnamon, often XFC as well from time to time, but often I was just in Cinnamon. Now go and have a look what the Linux Mint guys say about the release, what's new. What I'm always interested in is the scripts that I have. So on Eric Dubois there is the Ultimate Linux Mint Cinnamon 20.2, and if you go back, and by that I mean way back, if you just type Linux Mint or Mint maybe, you'll see I'm keeping track of all the releases. 2017 here, 2016, and all the rest before it is lost. So 2015 is the latest of the first Ultimate Linux Mint 17.1. So what I do is just have fun for 30 minutes or so. And this is the script I have. So what if Arch really stops and says bye? Then of course there is so many choices of Linux. Maybe I would go back to Linux Mint, I don't know. But anyway, the exercise is, well, first have a look around, see what has changed, but also change the scripts. So there are scripts we need repos and keys for, those are here. So Vivaldi, Google Chrome and Brave, you need an actual key and key ring and repositories and signing keys and all that. So these four guys. And all the rest, and this is also a good exercise, is what do I really need, right? What do I really need? And to have an operating system, Linux Mint is already quite perfect and complete as an operating system. So what I would need more is Chromium and Deconf Editor, Flameshot and GIMP and Git and Inkscape and Melt and OBS Studio, which is double for Simple Screen Recorder, just a failsafe. I'll use Simple Screen Recorder. Sublime Text is there and so on, you can read. So all of that is a simple sudo apt install, and some of the things improved. So Spotify client, for example, we don't need to have the repo anymore. If you compare this one with 20.2, I think, then you'll see that the keys in the repos are not necessary anymore. It's just sudo apt install, which is great. So there we are. I'm at that stage, and then what I would like to have is thdwn on my Linux Mint, and then I would be happy, right? So this is just an exercise for me. What if, right, Arch says we stop with everything, and it's the end of the story. So Linux Mint is here. I've got my tools, the things I like, but I do like this particular tiling window manager, thdwn. So let's have a look. Is this possible on Linux Mint? Here they say you have to do this, Control C. So I've got myself a clone from this one. I ran that one not removed yet, so I'll see what I don't want to have. For example, HexChat is something I'll never use, so that one needs to go, this one will go, and maybe others as well. So that's for later. This topic, the topic of this video is, can I have a Git? Was it already in there, Git clone? Let's have a look. Yes, it's already in there. So can I have thdwn on Linux Mint? Where is it? What did I do? I've put it Ctrl H. That's strange. Let's do that again. I am now at root. Ctrl Shift V, Git clone, dept. Oh, look at that. It's inside the .config. Ctrl H. What did I do? I've moved it inside the .config. Chdwn. Okay, yeah, sure. It says so, right? So it's a good place to have it. We have it as well there. In our case, it's called ArcoLinux thdwn. So, okay, cool. So let's make this one smaller. That one over here. You see, here we have to tile ourselves, and that's the advantage of a tiling window manager. It does the job for you, basically. So they say go in here, done that. And then CD, okay. This one needs to go out, Control X, move it to the .config, Control V, done, back inside here, CD that one, and then sudo make install. So make nothing specified, sudo make install. Am I making mistakes here? I suppose so. I need to go in here, sorry, and then open terminal, make fatal error. So what do we need? We need stuff, requirements dash, sudo apt install dash, let's see, that's installed, fe, picam imlib, fatal error, standard out, no such file, and compilation doesn't really say what it needs, so let's go on apt install imlib. Do we have something called imlib? True, nothing called like that, so exec root. Nope. JetBrains are just fonts. Picam, Fe, API, Rofi. So, challenge, right? Challenge. What does it need? If I type make, it says fatal error, dxinerama. No such file. Fatal error. Build options. Let's see, chdwm debian. This is for ArcoLinux users. Install on Debian. Actually, this is a spin-off from. So let's see. I have already the suckless tools, so I can show that. Apt install suckless tools. So D menu is in there, and then apt-get source cd config make clean install. Sure, and then sudo apt install thdwn. What do we get? Just thdwn. I think so. Too bad there are no dependencies coming along with it. We have thdwn now. Okay, did not help us. Let's see at this one, a fork. There is indeed from the AOR a variant. The question is, how can we make this one work? Fatal error, you need something. The question is standard IO std. No such file or directory. So if we go to the config, let's see what changes, what differs. File, okay, let's have a look. So the man prefix, that's not interesting, but the file system is pointing to user x11. That's a problem. User x11 does not exist. Include. How about libraries? Here is one. Nope. How about in the share? X11. No. Binary games include X11. Aha. But no. Don't think that bitmaps will be the reason for it. lib32, lib64, spin share source maybe, nope, that's all that. Share would be the best guess. X11, locale is all kind of languages, keyboard I guess, and Xquark. Yeah. Look at that, that's interesting. AMD, Quarks, ThinkPad, Radeon, and lib input. Okay, but no. Go away. So, X11. How can I investigate the content of a package? PAMAC would be our way of doing things, software manager. Either this one or that one. Let's see if this one works. That's the mint install. Is it already open? No. It's not that one. Software manager. I think it's trying to open itself. It's not hidden. There it is. So X11. Oh. Can we have a look? The green bits are installed. details, reviews. Can't see packages list. Okay. What's inside the package itself, files and stuff like that. I need to know where in the system somewhere there might be an X11 thing. X11 search. Zzz, all the way down. X server. Can we properties install files? Yes, I can find it like this. Wouldn't take this one. X11. How about common? User share X11, user library X11. Did we go to user library? User lib X11. Yeah, we've seen this. That's not it. Users include. Those were the bitmaps. Nope. And we need something like oh, I've closed it. That's something we definitely not tried. Debian. Let's see. Waiting for Cashlock. There is something open somewhere. Which one is it? This application probably. Same error. It's about DXinerama thingy. So this one. Comment if you don't want it. Might be this. That's the issue. And it's not. Okay. It's all the libraries. That's just not correct. Where is X11? R6 is here. Oh my god. That's strange, a Multipanel and cinnamon. Where did I see that? Multi-desktop item, multi-help, multi-panel panel. This contains the most etc X11. Yeah. Help, please. Install thdwn on Linux Mint. Let's try that. Did anybody figure that out? Nope. Okay. How about the DWM there? Cancel. I wanna log out on this one. No key binding is working. That's a pity. I could have guessed that. Control R. Reboot. How do we fix this? 26 minutes. We're in. DWM works. Sorry. Capital letters. Okay. What if? What if? Talking about a long shot. What if I go to seed host ArcoLinux? I go to the data center, go to the ArcoLinux repo, and I'm gonna take Control Find ArcoLinux thdwn git. Download it, I open it, extract it, and we have this. That's our configuration. And this is where the application goes. So what if I go to the file system, I open as root. I am root. Oh. And what I've downloaded, I put this one here. Merge, 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 merge. So that's that. In the user, share, X sessions. I have chdwm. User bin. User bin. What is start? Nope. Exec chdwm. And that goes there. So the config, Control C, that's gonna go Control V here. Merge. What's that? Oh yeah, replace. Replace. Okay, so we have now the Arco thdwn. So I'm just copy pasting, trying to figure out how I can get my beloved chdwm. I log out. and then use this one. Oh. We're thrown back. Doesn't get it. So DWM works, DWM doesn't work. Okay. So, how to install DWM on Linux Mint? How to install Linux Mint? Let's take medium. The easiest way. It's so attracting, right? Clickbait. Aha, aha, aha. Oh. This is something I need. Okay. Control C, Control Shift V, Enter. That's quite a bit. So what I'm gonna do is go to my other screen, and I'm gonna Control C, Control V, and make a new script called install thdwn, and start recording what I do, because otherwise it's gone. So fun bup, Control F, and then try again. How to install DWM on Linux Mint, and then we were here. The easiest way to install DWM. What is DWM? On Debian. That line, Control C, needs to go inside a script. That is open here. Control V. Sudo apt install. Save. Okay, so we got all that. Do we need it? I don't know. I don't know. Suckless cd clone DWM, compiling code, make sudo make clean install, starting DWM. Okay. So if we go to the desktop, I guess, no, where did I put it? In the .config. If we go to here and we go to there, in here, can we make this thing? Woo! Sudo make install. Okay. And what am I missing? Build essential, libx11 dev, libxvt dev, all development things, another dev. Okay, all dev things. But we did not install the rest. Well, let's first see. We have no fonts, we have no Pycom and all that. Well, still we can't go in. Function not found, pgrep. Oh yeah, syntax errors, okay. Pgrep, sudo apt install grep, pgrep, grep. Is that installed? Yes, okay, so let's have a look. He wants to do file system, a user bin, user bin exec. Wants to do this. Let's play. That's not gonna be a problem unless home.config ArcoThdwn, the scripts in the run, we do prep or pgrep. So pgrep, there he is. So what if I want to run this one? What errors do I get? 7, function not found, function run, no matching criteria specified. Run line 7, function not found. Syntax error. I type all the time run, run, run. We're on bash. And if we run this, this is the error. Okay. Control C, Control V. All that, I couldn't care less about all that. Launch me that. Save. Log out. Okay. Control T, super enter. None of these guys, the key bindings work. Control R. Okay, now we continue. That makes sense. That is really a holiday idea, right? So, what I need more is git pull what's this? Where's the rest? I haven't pushed it yet to the internet. So on my other computer, sudo apt install -yes icon is probably gonna be the name. So what do I need? Sudo apt install. That's strange. Python. Check. What else do I need? Fee. Does fee exist here? Sudo apt install fee. Yes. So fee as well. ACPI, I think that has something to do with the energy. Sudo apt install ACPI. It's there, whatever. ACPI and Rofi. And let's see if Rofi is there. All right. Pushing the code online. Like this. And if I git pull it, then we get the new code, install thdwn. This code is how far we got now. Get me all that, PyConf and that, okay. The fonts, without fonts no fun. Nerd fonts somewhere, I think. JetBrains mono nerd. Let's see. How do we do that? Sudo apt install jet. No. DTF J. No J. No J. How to get fonts in that do not exist. Don't forget to set it in config dev h. Let's see. In our .config, in the home, in the .config, in here, in here, in here, we tell the font to be Control find font. JetBrains mono and so on. Control C. Linux Mint. On Ubuntu. Get away. No other way. That's when you miss the AUR. Mono bolt. Mono bolt. Install. Install. Okay. JetBrains mono bolt channel mode. And stay regular as well. Okay. Logout. That's a nice font. And then the key bindings, Eric, you forgot the key, the application. Control F2. Let's go to TTY. Sudo apt install the sexy hotkey daemon. Okay, cool. So I go to my second screen and I add the sexy hotkey daemon. Nope. C hot daemon to the list. And now we go to pkill thdwn. Okay, and then login. Ctrl-T, super enter, super shift enter, super D, aha. Or is it my super D? It's not the VirtualBox super D. Nope, it wasn't. Super. So the font is not yet applied. I need to get my key bindings to work. Control R. Do we need a reboot? Let's see. On the other end, Eric. This should work. No? Maybe. Let's see if Alacrity is installed. Not my password. Oh. And curses term replaces Alacrity. Okay. That's strange. There we go again. Source file. I think we better do this one. So what I'll do, Control C. Oh, I can't copy paste like that. I have to go to my second screen and how to install Alacrity on Linux Mint. All right, through PPA repository. So this, Control C. I'll put it inside install keys. So Alacrity. That's that. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install Alacrity. So that's that. Voila. And if you always have the same workflow, then you can follow along in your scripts here. And you do git pull, and this is what I've changed. Alacrity, and Alacrity. That's that. So now I have Alacrity. Sexy hotkey daemon is there. So now the problem, I removed the way it should launch. So let's put this one there. Here, I guess, config. That one here. Nope. Can't we put it in here? Nope, that's in trash. That's not okay. Delete. Yeah, restore. I want him to be here somewhere. Doesn't matter. So, the scripts that run. I don't have melt, but I could have melt. Right. This is the one that's used, so I'll put him here, and that's the one that's not used. I'll put him here. Compare. What I do need is the sexy hotkey daemon. So this one, Control C. If anything, I need that. Auto render, does that exist? Let's see, sudo apt install auto render. Oh yeah, baby. So I'll put it on the list in the script. To install auto render. That's for resolution. So this is covered. Welcome app, doesn't matter. Apple Pamac tray, variety, power manager, blueberries is all for later. Does this exist? The user lib polkit GNOME thing. That's gonna be important at some point in time. If I type user lib, yeah, polkit 1. How else I can use GNOME? Policy kit. Pol or polkit 1. I have to choose. I don't know, let's try this one. GNOME. That's the one. So this is the line of code that I need and replaces this line of code, but that's for later. Icon. Yeah, sure. Control C. Icon. The conkeys are super unimportant. Numlocks. I do hate a numlocks thing. Sudo apt install numlocks. Yes. Okay, on the list, numlocks. Numlock X. Save. Okay. And there's a background I see. We can test out if Feo is working. Not important, but it's nicer. Save. Alright, let's see. We got a wallpaper. Is it super enter? Yeah, super enter. And super shift D. Okay. Super T. Haha, Rofi is working. So the only thing I need to do is deprecation warning. The slate and removal in Python and render. Check pep. Oh my god! Right, it's auto render. Let's do a sudo reboot because I want to be really sure. And now these fonts and the resolution. So that's that. Awesome. We're working in thdwn. Config. Right. Alex appearance. Do we have that? Sudo apt install Alex appearance. Uh-oh. Haha. Without the dash. The other one OB is Openbox. We don't want to have Openbox. Let's see if this is the right one. Super D, Alex appearance. Let's take that one. Sure, Aqua is good. Pipalta is there. Isn't that lovely? Pipalta is there. Isn't that good? Yeah. Apply. Why was I going here? For the widgets in. For this one. Right. So config GTK. There's no, here he is. GTK settings. So I got this. Those are the names. And XFCE wouldn't be XFCE if its settings was not here. Oh, there are no settings. Let's install XFCE4 settings and see. What did we do? It's okay, it's not that much. Few things. It's not a complete XFCE, that's important. This font thing. Come on. What's taking you? Ah, Pycom is not working. So that's better. Then I don't need this. Well, stop. Stop, I don't need that then. Do not need it to be quit. -Q. And then it loads it. Fonts. Jesus Christ, why are the fonts not the way I like them? Right. The fonts. How do you install fonts? But first of all, a render. Sudo apt install a render. Oh yeah, I interrupted him. Yes, that's true. Yes, I just said stop. And then he's not happy anymore. Happy now? Okay, on the list, a render. I need that one too. Save. A render. Virtual resolution 1920 on 1080. Save please. And save for later. Save as. Eric is the name. In Eric.screen layout Eric. Save. Stop. Then you go to this. You go to screen layout Eric. You copy this. You go to the config. Actually, I want to go there. This one to this one to the scripts to the run. Ugly. And then you do this, Control V. Not sure if I need it, but I'm gonna say run that thing. Control save, Control S, Super X is not gonna work. That's the ArcoLinux logout. What is gonna work? Well, actually, sudo apt install xfc4 task manager. Yes, that's the name. Well, I'll put this one in install thdwn xfc4 task manager. Maybe I should put a render there as well. And what else? Numlocks. And how to render. I'll move it to the script install thdwn. Like that. Like so. And now it's sorted nicely. Sublime Text can do that for you. Sort lines, F9. Save. So, what have I done? I just wrote update. In the desktop Ultimate Linux Mint, if you git clone it or git pull it, you'll see that I've changed the files. So install thdwn is all this, and it's no longer in this file. It is. A render and auto render should be in the other one, not in this one. Hey, did not save it, sorry. It's here on my system, but Control S. Update again. Git pull. And there you go, changed. So this is for anything based on Cinnamon, let's say. This is all good for Cinnamon, and this may be as well, because this provides DWM. This is Suckless tools. Go out here and go in Suckless S. And go in here. Save and save. Hold on. That's how you do things. Nope. Move. Git pull. reload. So Suckless Tools is now in here. Okay, why is Pycom not working? Pycom, ah yeah, that's why I went for the task manager, Control Shift Escape. Where is Pycom? Pycom is just not running. Okay, cool, not cool. Oh, to the scripts. Pycom toggle, yeah. Let's have a look at Pycom toggle. Kill all Pycom. Okay. There is a Pycom and there's a pycom.com. So what happens if I do this? Control C, Control Shift V. Error when reading configuration, line syntax error 85. Failed to create new session. Nothing there. There's a parse problem, line 85. 85 here somewhere. Now we don't need this. So then you go figure it out. This is something that can be filled in or not. And then refresh rate option has been deprecated. Refresh rate, Control find refresh rate. Okay, cool. So out it is. Save. And then another composite manager is already running. Composite manager. Is it? Is it? Allez. Aha, we have transparency. Okay. The fonts. Why are the fonts not working the way they should be? This is nice in Chinese. So I've got a font problem. Config, ArcoChdwm, this one, that one. This is really not nice. Preferences, theme. This I can read. That's better. So my font is the JetBrains mono font thingy. JetBrains mono. Come on, JetBrains mono. Control Alt. Ah, there he is. Maybe one back. How to install JetBrains font on Linux Mint. Unzip and so on. Restart your DE editor and so on. JetBrains on Ubuntu. Let's have a look. What if I did my downloads, I take this, I take that, I take this. What if I take this and move it, copy, move it to here. All of them are here. Nothing changed. JetBrains mono. Is there no caching thingy? There's something about cache something. VC cache. We have an alias on ArcoLinux, so let me have a look and type alias. I think it starts with an F. It does not. C from cache, nope. What was it again? The command to regenerate all the cache for the fonts. That's it. Sudo fc cache -fe. Let's see if that's as well working here. And it is. But no solution. JetBrains mono nerd fonts. Bold. Bold, bold. Extra bold. This is bold. Is there something like a space or something? Ah, the local is not in there. Yeah, for root. Yeah. Does it work like this then? Aha. Cache font config. Here, yes. Local share fonts, caching. 32 fonts, super shift R. Damn. Let's see what applies if we reboot. Control R. Why? This is nice. Looks like some dagger or something. New fetch. We're on Linux Mint. In the end, it's all Linux, right? Remember? And we have nice themes. And the last problem that we have is this Linux Mint thing. F12 is working. Well, we don't have a nice theme yet, but this is just preferences and all that and appearances. Change anything? Some colors. No, the fonts. They say to put it in TTF, which might be also possible as a solution. I don't know. Local share fonts. This is what we have. Control A, Control C, file system, user, share, fonts. It's TTF what I've done, I think. Where is it? No, that I do these things. True type. Okay. Now I think we better follow the rules. sudo. You know what? We have this application, super shift D, yeah, software. Let's see if we can have some help from the software manager. Okay, where is the find here? JetBrains. How about that one? Fonts JetBrains mono. Sudo apt install fonts. All right. Hopefully that's the one. I'm gonna put it in my script anyway, even if it doesn't work. Install, okay. So fonts JetBrains mono, save. Super shift R. Right. And our command was sudo fc cache or something. fv, I think it was. Where did I put it? User fonts true type. JetBrains. Skipping loop directory detected. Okay. That seems to be a problem. Still is a problem. Why are you doing this? Oh, reboot. The fonts. Choose another font. I might have to. Or I may have to. Settings. Cinnamon settings. Font selection. What do I have? The JetBrains is there. I don't know. So this one, if we make this one, let's see if we make install it and reload it. It has no effect whatsoever. Uh-oh. That's an okay. Why is it suddenly doing this? What we did not check is actually this one. There was reference to fonts. Uh-huh. Okay. What's the difference? I would like to do compare, right? Right, mostly compare. There are some configure custom actions that we can do. I don't know if that's gonna be easy or anything. Melt, I don't know. No submenu. Oh, that's new. A submenu. Melt. Let's see. Nice icon for melt. Icons. Oh, where are the icons? Here. Melt. Doof. R minus Q. And then we go to config. This one, that one. Oh, there's no compare. Because, Eric, because. File pattern, text files, other files, directories. Okay, close. Again. And let's have a look. Oh, whatever. Melt. This one there. That one there. Compare. No difference. So the JetBrains thingy. No difference. Let's try. Why do I have XFCE? That's not nice. Open terminal here is XFCE. Is it not? It is. Okay, let's make this nice. I have to work on it. Bigger is better. Transparent background. And colors, we'll have a look. So, and sudo make install. Yeah, okay. So, what if I would say completely different? Or what if I would say this? Will he get it? Right, make clean. Let me get this again. So we're not out of the woods in regard of this thing. And about the cache, this cache thing. That one. Why is he showing this? JetBrains mono. How about using Ubuntu? Save. What do we get then? Better take a look at that. Damn. Even on holidays, you have to say, let it go, let it go. Just let it go. We're already quite far, right? It's just a fun thing, because the video will be tremendous long. How long is it already? 1 hour and 26 minutes. Oh my god. So you've seen me pick my brain. Maybe you've learned something, maybe you've wasted 1 hour and a half. I don't know, but if you know what I should do to get my funds up and running, that would be good. And here's the B pool and the R pool. I have now ZFS installed. And do we have duff? Sudo app install duff. Oh my god! Putting duff on the list of thdwn. V. Duff safe. So yeah, it's getting better. Really is. Let's do that again. So this is my duff. Look at that, at the complexity of ZFS. All ZFS. And here we have something separate. And all the rest is a big pool. But the user is none the wiser, right? Unless, there you go. And that's fine. So I'm stopping here. To do is probably gonna be more software. Discord, Telegram is here, Minstick works. Telegram is installed. Discord, I guess, is not installed. And what's this one again? Sound. So Pulse Audio. This is Minstick. This is Telegram. I've got that. Discord. Sudo apt install Discord. Okay. That's a pity. Let's continue the video. That's important that we have that. So how to install Discord on Linux Mint. Terminal of Linux Mint, that's the one I want. Snap. I don't really like Snap. Is there another way? The software manager. Okay. Let's see. No, that's not the one. We'll see. Discord, there he is. FlatHub. Aha. Yep, it's FlatHub. A Debian package. This is more to my liking. Copy. So that's not okay. The link is not working. Access denied. So Discord. Download. Okay. Debian. So this one. Double click. Install package. Oh, I think I deleted a window. I shouldn't have deleted. Downloads. Let's try it again. Install package. Requires the installation of 4 packages. Sure. No message. Can we say something like sudo apt install Discord? Sudo apt from a local place. Because this is not working. Help me. Mint install local deb file package. Double clicking, yes. 4 ways. Okay, 1 way. -E. It's the dot I need. So this was good. Sudo apt install and then Discord. Hey. Sudo apt install file name deb. Sudo apt install Discord 10.28.deb. Let's see. Note selecting Discord instead of Discord installed. All right. So Discord needs to be permission denied. The other option was sudo, what was it again? The other application, dpackage, debian package, -install. Okay, that's a better thing. So that's that. And Discord is available. Okay. So I'll put it in the scripts install apt package. Later on, otherwise the video is too long. But yeah, we've got everything I need on Linux Mint. The only issue is now this font, and there was also a build font still, but okay, I'll figure it out. If, and that's the topic of the video, right, if ArcoLinux stops working, then we have an alternative, and all I need is a Linux, some Linux, and I prefer to use thdwn, XFC, Cinnamon, Plasma, and stick to that. Alright, have fun watching the video and playing around in Linux operating systems. But then my advice is choose, right? Choose one operating system. Learn in depth about one operating system, at least for a year. Don't be a distro hopper. Learn, dive in the depth of the Linux guts and learn. Alright, cheers.